Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Hopefully, everybody is doing great. Welcome to another live trading session. We are Tuesday, the 21st of February. Welcome back for the followers, and welcome to the new people. If it's the first time here, um, very simple. We're gonna break down some charts. If you have any question or charts you want to review, you send it my way, and we're gonna take a look at it. We're gonna break down pretty much like every pair that looks interesting. Scalp, swing, so whatever you guys trading. And by the way, I'm looking to myself right now, and I know I look terrible. My eyes are red. Like I don't know what's going on here. I got something going on with my skin here, so I do apologize. It's kind of red here, and I'm gonna have to kind of wipe my eyes often. I don't know what's going on. Probably got a reaction to something, but I don't know. So I'm looking like I look terrible right now, but what if, whatever, whatever. Um, looks like I'm crying. Um, all right, so if it's the first time, welcome. Don't forget to smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe and follow. Next time I'll be live. It's actually Thursday night. So now I'm gonna start doing Thursday night Forex talk over here. So make sure to tune in. And yeah, let's enough talking and let's do some trading. What do you guys think? Before we go ahead, let me just verify if sound is loud and clear with you guys on YouTube. Can you just confirm that? That'll be great. Let's see some comments here. Marnus, morning session to crew. Morning, Marnus. Welcome back. So let's see. All right, let's bring up the chart. Hopefully, I'm not speaking to myself. Hey guys, don't forget as soon as you come in on YouTube, smash that like button. We're gonna try hard in the next couple of weeks to bring back the audience. We used to have like hundreds of people here before I took my huge break during summer, and since then I've been struggling building back the audience. So I need your help. All right, let's see here. Let's bring back this message right here. Where is it? Banner. Here we go. Perfect. All right, we're good to go. Excellent. Okay, so let's do GJ first. Jesus. God damn it. This is exactly what I was waiting for, man, all day yesterday. God damn. All right, so now let's see how I would be able to grab that. So I was basically waiting for, as you can tell, I was waiting for the retracement in the golden zone, which I draw before this thing happened. Um, but after that, during the day, I was actually looking for like a break retest of that double bottom switch of structure on the lower time frame. Let's say on 30 minute, if there was any opportunity for that. Not so much. Would be like here's that an engulfing candle. Uh, yeah, but not so much, honestly. Let's see on a 1 hour. Oh, actually, 1 hour was great because 1 hour did close above, like with a nice engulfing candle, flipping bullish. So yeah, I think that would be like a nice entry right there. But hey, I missed it. I missed it. I was busy. I worked yesterday on different stuff, so I didn't look after my New York session time. So what the fuck? It is what it is. So okay now. So now let's delete this. Boom. All right. So now let's take a look at the bigger picture. All right. Let's take a look at the weekly. All right. So weekly is still bullish, right? Because we didn't broke that low. So we're still bullish here on GJ. Daily is definitely bullish now. So yeah. So that's good. That's good. This area here is super valid. And let's delete this for now. Let's extend that to the right. Oops. What? Sorry, guys. All right, here we go. So now, I basically be waiting for the retest, because now we just broke this resistance. So I'll wait for the retest here to continue up. That's on the bigger picture. Let's take a little 4 hour. Same kind of thing. If you look to the left here, what else? We got super clean traffic to go to the upside. So now we just need to pull back. So basically, yeah, like right now we're just pushing up. So now I need to pull back. I need to pull back. Yeah, to continue up. So basically, I'm gonna wait for this pullback, which is either the retest or the golden zone to continue up, whatever. But it's definitely something I'm gonna be keeping an eye on because the left side is super duper clean. So that can be a nice trade here on GJ. Just painful to see it like that, but it is what it is. Man, my eyes are a mess right now. I do apologize, guys. Uh, okay, so Euro GBP here. I was waiting for that move. Um, I was waiting actually for the break of retest to go to the upside here, and we just melt down under that area. So whatever. No trade for me on that one. Hey Paul, hey Sasha, hey Paul, how you doing? Good morning, buddy. Um, so let's see here. What else? Whoops. What the fuck? Yeah, so now I mean the daily just flipped bearish at the moment. I mean, it did flip, but it's not confirmed because we didn't close under that support right here. So this candle is still open. So we don't know yet. For sure. 4 hour did hold on, wait a second. Yeah, 4 hour did flip bearish. So now at this stage, for Euro GBP, for swing, I mean, right now, nothing. Like, because right now the weekly is still bullish, right? The weekly is bullish. The daily is about to flip bearish, so it's kind of not clear where we're going. We're probably like that weekly is probably doing a retracement. Yeah, we broke the golden zone. Now we're tapping into that safety zone, so we'll see. But right now, Euro GBP, I'm gonna put it down somewhere here because it's not ready. I'm gonna remove this flag because it's not even close to be ready. USD CAD, man, what the fuck? I got a loss on that one yesterday night. So let's see how I could avoid that loss. So now let's study that. So it did lost 1% on that one. So we'll see. Yeah, yesterday night was kind of tricky. I had 2 losses back to back. So we'll take a look at those. It's okay. It's been a while, honestly, since I didn't have. I was on a nice winning streak on my swing trades. So I guess now it was time to get slapped in the face, and it's part of the game. Sometimes you get too confident and you kind of go slacking off on confirmation or confluences, and that's how the market slaps you. Okay, so now let's study this. Or should I save that for Thursday night? Should we do that now or save it for Thursday night? Well, we can do both. I don't mind. Oh man, my eyes are killing me, guys. Whew. Crazy stuff. Wow. Okay. You know what? Let's do it. All right. So we have the daily here. I mean, first the weekly. All right. First the weekly. Weekly was bullish, right? I know for some people it looks bearish, but it is bullish. And the reason why it's because really simple. We create that new high, so we got our high here, and here we never broke, we never broke that low right here, or here, I mean, we never broke that low here either, so we're still bullish, right? So basically, was really waiting to break the daily support and retest it, not support, sorry, resistance. Because the daily here was bearish and turned bullish. All right. So it turned bullish when we created new higher high here. And so we are bullish here, right? So I was waiting for the retest to continue up, basically. So this is exactly what I was waiting for. And if you look on the 4 hour time frame, um, we are bullish on the 4 hour time frame. We had the pullback at the golden zone, so was looking for an entry on the lower time frame. We add the break retest. Let's see here on the lower time frame on 1 hour. Actually, 2 hour was bullish also. No, sorry. I think one of the mistake maybe is no, because it is. Sorry, I'm trying to find my mistake here, or it's just that the market didn't go my way. Let's see. Um, Here 1 hour. 1 hour was bearish for a while, and flipped bullish when we break this. We had the retest right here, and we had this candle, which is I think maybe one of the reason it wasn't an engulfing candle. I don't know, but yeah, you know. Oh, sorry, I took it right here at this engulfing candle. Yeah, sorry guys. So we had that break, retest, engulfing candle, took the entry, put stop about under that wick. Even if I would have put my stop under that support, which will give you a bigger stock, but I would again stop either. It's on the 30-minute. Can I get a better entry? No. Yeah, I don't know, man. I'm trying to find my mistake here on that one. But look like market just didn't play out. Because usually pretty much did my all my other trade. I'm just of course, when you have a losing trade, you want to figure out like what was my mistake, and you want to make sure you don't want to repeat it. But here, just I'm gonna have to take a more into depth look. This trade was yesterday. Yeah, well, yesterday night. Yesterday, I think because of the bank holiday. Yeah, maybe because it was like at 10 p.m. Eastern. So the bank holiday was kind of done for the US and Canada. It was like Japan, like Tokyo session. So yeah, I think the Asian session, sorry. Um yeah, so I don't know, man. I don't know. Usually I don't take a lot of trade during an Asian session, so maybe that's why. I don't know. It just sucks. It is what it is. And the other loss was this trade is still active as we speak, so we're gonna get back to it. Where's my other loss? Yeah, this one, which played out perfectly right after I got stopped, which kind of pissed me off. All right, so let's take a look at the weekly. So weekly, we were bullish. So I was looking for the retest on the weekly time frame of this previous resistance. If you look at the daily, we are bullish. Same thing. This is the same area of interest on the weekly and the daily. So it's very powerful, very solid. I was looking for the pullback here, retest. So what I did is went on the lower time frame, which is the 4 hour time frame, look for the retracement into that golden zone. So at this stage, the 4 hour is still bullish. And if you look on a 1 hour, we add the retest right here. And I was looking for, the switch of structure here on whatever on the lower time frame. And if you look here, we had the nice engulfing candle right here. I just want to make sure. Yeah, correct. So took this entry right here. What? NZD is also affected by the AUD news. Yeah. Yeah, I think you were out because there was news and speech this time. If yeah. You go to Forex calendar. Yeah, no, that's I think that's how I got screwed up. Because I mean it went like I took that entry and it melted like right away. I think I was just before news. Or the market was absorbing the news. I don't know what happened, but I got stopped out and boom, straight to TP. I was like, what the fuck? So yeah. So literally woke up during the night to go to the bathroom, look at my MT4, and I was like, wow, not my MT4, but my trading view, and I looked, it went straight to TP after that. I was like, shit, that sucks. But I'm happy because the thing is the move was there. The move was there. So, it's good. So at least that one is a loss, but it played out. So that one is like less brutal. Like it's brutal in one way, but at least you know you weren't wrong, right? Compared to the USD CAD, I'm trying to figure out like where I was wrong. But here it did play out pretty nicely. So, all right. So that's it. Now let's talk about the trade, and I'm in as we speak right now. It's been in for since last night. Also, yeah, last night it was super active. I don't know what happened there. Um, I've been waiting for setups since last week, mostly. So I think like when I saw the setups last night, I went a little crazy. Uh, so all right. So now looking at this, I mean, you look at the weekly time frame. Weekly is bearish now. The daily was bearish also. The 4 hour was bearish, and I was waiting for the pullback. Okay, so I was waiting. So 4 hour went bearish. Okay, as you can tell, went bearish. So waited for the pullback here inside our golden zone, and waited for the for the switch of structure on the lower time frame. If you look on 1 hour, we went bullish to have that pullback. And once we flipped bearish, okay, this is where we kind of broke here the slope. It waited for the break retest. I think was it on 30-minute? Yeah, it was on the 30-minute. Okay, so right at the opening of this candle, yeah, I remember. Right at the opening of this candle, the market went down very quickly. So my entry was a little late. It was supposed to be right at the opening, but whatever. So I had like because I miscalculated my lot size, so I had to add like 4 other entries. So I think I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I got 5 entries. Yeah, because I don't know what happened. I kind of miscalculated. So to be able to have 1%, I had to added like 5%. They all beside each other. I went on Magic Key and hit double trade 4 times. I saw the 5 entries right there. So put stop above here. Almost got stop here. And went a nice profit. And now we're just playing around like break even or 3 pips profit. I'm actually right now like 4 pips profit, 3 pips profit on each position. But if you look, it went to 33 pip profit, which is pretty good. Which this one was a 1.5 RR. Oops. Go. But I'm waiting for my 3 to 1 here. So now let's see. Did the 4 flipped bullish as we speak? No, we're still bearish. 2 hour is bearish. 1 hour is bearish. 30-minute is 30-minute looks bullish as we speak. So yeah, so the 30-minute did flip bullish. So we'll see. I will, but all the other time frames still bearish. So let's see if that trade can hit. Okay, so let's go back to GJ, see if we can have some nice other opportunity. What time is it? Because it's 8. The 1 hour just closed. 1 hour closed bullish on GJ. Right now, even if I want to scalp, man, I need a pullback. So man, GJ just like, geez, what's going on? Okay. Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? AUDCHF. Basically waiting for this break and retest here on the daily to go to the downside. So this is basically something I'm waiting for. Maybe it's gonna happen today, tomorrow, whatever this week. So you can keep that in mind. AUDCHF is something that I'm gonna be looking for to go to the downside. NZD CAD, waiting here for one of those 3 rejection. So either the rejection of the 3A2, rejection of the weekly area of interest, or rejection of the golden zone to continue to the upside, because the weekly is bullish, right? So weekly is bullish, and yeah, so basically just waiting for the pullback here. Gonna need the daily obviously to flip bullish at the time, but so this I don't think this is gonna be ready this week, probably next week, but whatever. Um, uh, man, my eyes are killing me. Euro NZD. That one looks weekly. Waited for the retest here. Yeah, boom, boom, boom. Oh yeah, that's the one I got my loss. What am I talking about here? Can I give that trade a second chance though? Because we're really close to the same area. Let's see. Can I give that trade a second chance? Oh, here we're bullish. We're bullish on 30 minute. We're bullish on 1 hour. We got the pullback. We got a nice engulfing candle, rejecting this area. Man, I feel like giving that trade a second chance. What time is it? 8. That 4 hour candle is not closed. Looks doji. We had a huge rejection here. Oh, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. The 1 hour. All right. So it's either I wait for that 2 hour candle to close, engulfing, and take the trade, or I'm thinking out loud, or I take the dogtail setup here. Hmm. How many pips is that? If I break here, that's a 30 pip stop loss. If I take it to, yeah, it's going to be pretty much the same thing. And if I would have taken on the 1 hour engulfing, I just missed by a couple minutes. That would be like a 20, let's say 25 pips. Yeah, I think I'm just going to grab a late entry on that one. Based on that H1, giving a second chance. All the rest is bullish. But we might have a retracement on the weekly though. Guess that it did close bearish. 4, we're rejecting this, which is also a major QP. Pretty strong area, this area. Yeah. God damn. I'll wait for that 2 hour candle. I'll wait for that 2 hour candle. Let's wait for the close of that 2 hour candle. Okay, so let's see now if we have any comments, questions. Let's see. Yuva, what's up, buddy? Ça va bien? J'espère que toi aussi. Mounir, salut Sacha, salut Mounir, j'espère que ça va bien, mon ami. Bonne journée à vous. Bon matin. Faris, yes, I'm a funded trader. Good job, congrats, buddy. Hello, Victory. Hello. All right. So now up to the next one. Well, up to the next one. AUDGPY. I think the rest looks pretty effy, if I'm not wrong. Let's just take a quick look. Oh, looked like I was looking for a break retest here, but okay. Okay, so here, boom, boom, boom. Here we became, okay. So, okay. Yeah, AUDGPY kind of, I don't know. The move's already in the move. So here we're waiting for the pullback here on the USD GPY. If you look on the weekly, we're waiting for this. Place my alert there because I want to see like what's going on. We might reject also the daily area. So the 4 hour is still, pushing up right now. So yeah, whatever. I'm gonna wait for the pullback. If I don't have a pullback, I don't have a trade. Simple as that. AUD USD. Why this alert didn't get triggered? That's weird. So we are finally here. I'm gonna push AUD USD to the upside because now, okay. So if you look at AUD USD, the weekly is bullish as we speak. We actually did the retest here of that weekly area of interest. If you look on the daily is bearish. So I need the daily to go bullish. So it's not gonna happen today, right? But I need the daily to do something like, you know, something like this to continue up. Um, and yeah, we're gonna look at the lower time frame to see when we can flip bullish. But ADUSD start to be interesting, but it's not ready yet, right? It's not ready yet. ADGPY, no. USDGPY, we talked about. AUD CAD, AUD CAD, meh, blah, blah, blah. Nah. CAD GPY, CAD GPY. Oh, what the? Okay. Okay. We're breaking above here. Wait a second. Are we flipping bullish? Dude. Okay. If we're flipping bullish, gonna wait for the weekly. Huh. Yeah. Let's see. But I just don't like this area to the left, This is a freaking mess here. And this is the daily time frame. So yeah. So I'm expecting rejection here. So we'll see. I'm gonna be patient with that. GA. What's going on, GA? Had some nice win a couple weeks ago on GA. Let's remove all of this. Let's remove this. We're expecting that daily golden zone for a while, and now it's happening. All right, cool. Let's see. The weekly must be. Hold on, wait a second. Is that the weekly golden zone, the daily golden zone? All right, so we are at the safety net on the weekly and the daily. What the fuck? This is so wrong. Sorry, guys. How did I do this? Maybe I moved it. Sometime when I play with my phone on my trading view, I kind of fucked up my chart. So maybe that's what happened. I don't know. All right, so let's see now. We're entering that daily golden zone. So let's see if we can start coming down. So we'll see. Keep an eye on GA. Let's put it up. It's not close to be ready, but I'm gonna move it up on the list. Paul, hold on, wait a second. I see comments here. Paul, hit the like button. Let's get it to match the viewers at least. Yeah, thank you, Paul. Very appreciated. Yeah, well, let's try to bring back this stream, the audience. Um, let's see. Munir, NZD USD. Yeah, we talk about NZD USD because I'm actually in a trade on NZD USD as we speak. So yeah, so right now, like 4 pips profit, nothing much. It went to 32 pips profit during the night. So hopefully it will continue down. So if that trade hit, that's gonna kill my two losses, and I will be in profit. So that's a cool thing with a higher RR. It's because, I mean, your winning ratio, if your winning ratio is really good, I mean, it's crazy the money you can make, and you don't even have to be you don't have to have a good winning ratio, which is crazy. But lately, I was on a good winning streak until those two losses. But hey, it's part of the game. All right, let's take a look at gold. Where's gold? Right here. Man, I call it retracement on gold since like over here. Like after that candle, I was like, man, if you guys were in a live stream, we did that. Yo, who's that? Who's that? Lucas? What's up, Lucas?
So my bad.
Oh, okay, no problem, bud. um, so yeah, so called this retracement on gold since like what 3 4 weeks ago when we had that weekly candle. I was like, man, gold needs to come down, retest this area. And if you were on the live stream, and I'm sure people on Zoom remember that we talked about that retracement up to this area to continue up, and this is exactly what's happening. So it's fun to watch because I don't actively trade gold, but it's fun to realize that gold is actually playing out the same kind of way as the other pair, right? Even if gold sometimes is crazy, very volatile, it still respect market structure like very very nicely. If you look on the daily now is bearish. Obviously, we are right here at this daily support that we draw like 2 weeks ago. I was saying we might stop there and push back or continue down for the full retracement. And if you look on the on the weekly time frame, this area will also in confluence with the golden zone. Also, the daily area is inside that golden zone, so that's why like I'm kind of marked that area that we might have some rejection close to this area. But as we speak, the daily is still bearish. So to take it to the upside, we need the daily to flip bullish and 4 hour to flip bullish. Yeah. So basically, that's what it is. So basically, now if you want to scalp gold at this stage, um, right here, I don't like this. If you want to scalp it, yeah, I think I would do like something above this area to do break retest, to the upside. Or to the downside, let's see if we're going to reject this area. If we start rejecting this area, wait for the resistance to be formed and take it to the downside. Because right now the 30-minute is trending down, but we need to respect this resistance. If we break above, that means we're flipping direction on the lower time frame. But you see, now we're rejecting this resistance as we speak. And it's 8:20. We're close to New York Open. So if you wait for that next 30-minute or 15-minute resistance, look on the 15-minute this rejection. So maybe on the 15-minute, you can have a nice engulfing candle, take it to the downside. That's something possible also. Let's see. I think we got some comments here. Oh, Joe is back. I'm shorting 1835, 1836.50 TP, taking a chance. You should not take chance. You should know in executing. No, don't take any chance. It's not a gamble site. Like when I take a trade, I don't tell myself, yeah, I'm taking a chance. Taking a chance is not really having confidence or knowing what to do. It's not gambling, you know. You should know why you're shorting, you know, why you're shorting or why you're buying. So it's not taking a chance because you have a plan. You have a plan. You have an established plan. You got an entry plan and you got an exit plan. All right. So, and you got to know why. You know, it's funky. Like there's some people think, yeah, I'm gonna buy there. I mean, I'm asking why, and I never get answers. You know, just like I never get it. Oh, because I feel it's going up. Oh, okay, great, awesome. So let's flip a coin. You know, let's take a Canadian loonie here. All right. So heads, we're going up, and tail, we're going down. All right. So let's flip the coin. You know, it's basically what it is. You know, when you guys say that. So please, guys, you know, don't give away your money to the market. You know, just don't give away your money. If you're about to give your money, just man, send it my way, man. I always have place in my bank account. You know, like if anyone doesn't have place in their bank account, I don't know what the fuck they're doing. But I'm always have room, man. So just instead of throwing in the market like for no reason, just send it my way. Give it to charity, like whatever the fuck you want to do, but just don't give it to the market for no reason. That's stupid. You know, I'm not saying you guys are stupid. I'm saying the gesture is stupid. Yeah, this is just my 2 cents. Okay, so 824 NZD USD is at now 9 pips. So all right, slowly but surely, NZD USD coming down. Let's see. Let's see. What about GJ? GJ, man, fuck GJ. So um, GG, the other thing I can do since there's volume here, if we have the next full hour candle printing the bottom of the tail, and let's see the dog start running, pushing up, flipping, and breaking the high here. Sorry, guys, dude, my eyes, like I feel like popping my eyes out. Like it feels like I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. Anyways, um, so if you break the high here, this is where I'm going to be taking that trade to the upside. It's going to be more of a scalp. Doing the same thing on probably. I like that move on gold also sometimes. Right now, not so much because we are right at this area. Hold on, did we just dip into? Wait a second. Wait a second. Okay, that's the daily. Okay, perfect. I thought that was the weekly. I was like, wait a second, did we just dip right to the weekly area? Um, so you see that 30-minute is rejecting exactly, rejecting right there. So now, I mean, like shorting now, I mean, it's just like even shorting after that 5 minutes, it's it's kind of very, very, very on the edge because the 5 minute is bullish as we speak. So I would not short based on that 5 minute. I can short based on the resistance being formed on the 15 minute. Yeah, I can do that because you would have like some confirmation right here. We're rejecting this resistance. We're respecting the safety net. We got engulfing candle in 15 minute if the 15 minute happened. So this is way to build up a case, guys, for you to know like I'm not taking a chance. I'm actually going in because I know not I know what's gonna happen, but I know I'm backed up by some confirmations. And if it doesn't play out, it don't play out, right? Um, but at least you build up your case. I think that's one of the most important thing. Build up your case, guys. It's like building up a case against a murder suspect or someone that did a robbery or whatever. You want to gather evidence. It's the same kind of idea. You want to gather evidence on why are we moving up or why are we moving down. Hopefully that makes sense for you guys. I'm just trying to find examples so it's simple to understand. Because I know, like a couple years ago when I got started, it's just like I was so lost, dude. I was like, I was buying, and right after I was selling because I was like so confused. Because I didn't learn how to build up a case and gather evidence. I was seeing a blue candle. I was like, oh shit, now I'm buying. I saw a white candle. So I'm like, fuck, now I'm selling. Which doesn't make sense. Anyways, let's take a look at GN. It's been a while. I didn't look at GN. Oh, yeah, no. Now I understand. Look at this shit. Like, oops. Look at this dog shit here. And this is the weekly time frame. Fuck. Yeah, no, not interested. NZDGP, not interested. You see, you don't want to be trading a ranging market, you know, especially on a weekly time frame. Boo. That's crazy. Euro USD. Oh, why didn't I have an alert there? Okay. Man, when did I draw this? Draw this probably after this. This could have been a nice bullish move also because you had the break, you got the retest. I guess I didn't look at this pair for a while, and I probably like did that break retest drawing after we just broke above. I'm pretty sure because if I was to be looking, honestly, I would be trying to find a move in this area to get in because we flip bullish. All right, so let's do this. Let's do this for your learning, guys. Um, so we flip bullish here. All right, so now I need to break retest, which we got. So now let's try to find where the daily flip bullish here. All right, so daily. Now, if you look, daily is bullish. All right, cool. Perfect. We got a pullback here. All right. We're gonna pull back at the daily area of interest. All right. So let's put this smaller, and let's try to find our entry on. Let's see the 4 hour pullback. Amazing. Oh, okay. So 4 hour went bearish. So at this stage, we need the 4 hour to flip back bullish. Okay. So now that's bring us up to here. So we flip bullish. Now let's stay. Let's see where we have the retracement in the golden zone. We got something over here, which reject the golden zone, or we got the full retracement here, right? But again, hold on, wait a second. So here we flip bullish. Here we're bearish. Bearish, bearish. Hold on, hold on, wait a second. That low is right here. That low is right here. Yeah, so we flip bearish here. Okay, so here we're bearish. Perfect. All right, cool. Wow, that brings us further. That brings us like up to here because this is where the 4 flipped bullish. Okay, so now let's see. Can we go find an entry after this candle closed above on the lower time frame? Let's see, let's see, let's see. So here on 30-minute, no. Let's see on 1 hour maybe. Yeah, on 1 hour you got your nice engulfing candle after the pullback. So yeah, so that would be my entry right there. I'll be taking this and stop under this area, which is, wait a second, this is just 3, what? Oh, no, 13 pip. Okay, so probably going to be rounded up to 15 pips, and you can aim for the daily structure. Where is it? Let's put it bigger so we can see on the daily. Just trying to show you guys like how I dissect my trade. So here's the daily area right there. Actually, you got this one right here. The first one, yeah. So that would be like almost a 5 to 1 for the daily structure. So yeah, so that would be exactly like how I would be taking that trade. You see, it took like a couple minutes to find it, right? But now I'm gonna wait for the full pullback here, or let's see. Let's see on the golden zone where did that go? Because here we don't have really pullback. So this is starting from here to here. Oh wow, amazing. This is actually right at the golden zone. Oh, this is gonna be magic, dude. Guys, I hope you're gonna remember this trade idea. Because I think this would be pretty insane if we do this. Yeah. All right. And it's not close to be ready, right? Because I mean, don't forget, every candle right here, it's 1 week. So it took like to get up there, it took like 10 weeks. Now we're 1, 2, 3, 4. So probably like another like 6, 7 weeks before we come down over there. So yeah, we can move down this way. All right. Man, NZD USD doesn't want to play out, man. It's just like, whew, sheesh. Still sitting like at 6 pips. Sucks. What time is it? 8:35. All right, so 8:35. The 30-minute just closed here on GJ. Let's see. GJ closed nice, solid bullish candle here. Let's go take a look at gold. Gold 30-minute close bullish, but right under this resistance. And if you look, the 15 is bullish. So that's why, Joe, you're selling 1835. So hopefully you're, oh no, stop was what? Stop was 1836. Oh yeah, so you got stopped. The reason why I explained it, I explained it. So seeing that blue candle, you don't know where it's gonna stop. So why shorting? Even on the 5 minute, even on the 5 minute, when you said I'm buying, it was on that 5 minute candle, right? And the 5 minute was bullish. The trend was bullish on the 5 minute. 15 minute was bearish at the moment, but we were tapping here, so we don't know where it's gonna stop. We don't have any confirmation that this move up is gonna stop. And right now it's pushing up. Like now, right now it's breaking. So now we need to know, is this candle closing above this area, or is gonna start rejecting closing under? But sometimes when people jump into a candle, like an active candle like this, because they got FOMO and they are scared of missing a trade. Look what I did with the other trade, which was what? The Euro NZD. I'm waiting for the 2 hour candle to give my trade a second chance. Yes, I missed that move. You see that candle was like kind of right here when I was hesitating on giving a try, having a late entry, but you know what? This is a nice confirmation, but the 2 hour confirmation is going to be even more solid. Um, yeah. My problem though is this. I thought it did close above though. On a 1 hour, it's still bullish, but on a 2 hour is bearish. Ugh. Yeah. I don't know. If that 4 hour candle closed bullish engulfing, that's gonna be nice. I'm gonna give that trade a second chance, which is gonna be in confluence with that 2 hour candle because it's closing at the same time. So we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. What about GJ? GJ, what time is it? 8:35, 8:38. USD CAD. What's going on here? Um, I would be so mad, man, for USD CAD to fucking play out. So mad. Look at this, man. Look at this. Wait, what? I mean, let's put another color. Look at this area. How well respected it is. Holy fuck me. Oh, CPI CAD. Man, there's a shitload of news this. What the? We're on the 21st? Yeah, okay. Oh, we got some NZD news tonight. Okay. And we got some USD news. Oh shit, my NZD USD is about to either stuck me out or went to TP because there's about to be some volume there. That's why we're ranging lately in the past couple minutes. Uh, Joe, you got stopped. Yeah, I figured. Yeah, I figured. Um, but Joe, again, like I don't know if you heard everything what I said before, but I don't know if you were still in the stream or you were on another stream. I don't know, but I mean, it's really important that you build up your case, bro. Like, what was the reason for you to short? That's what you need to ask you. What was the plan? You know, it's really important. Really, really important. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. What else we got? Man, can't believe it. All right. Any question, guys? Someday, someday. Thanks, Asha. Someday, someday. Someday, someday. What? Someday you're gonna decide to do a plan. Someday you're gonna you finally answer my question. Come on, Joe. Just trying to help you out here. I'll figure it out. Um, I hope so. I hope so, because I mean, now you're just giving away money, you know. And the best way to figure it out is start asking those questions to yourself. What is my plan? You know, what is my plan? What am I selling? Am I buying? You know, you need to start asking those questions. If not, you will. I don't want to, you know, I don't want to be rude to you, but if you don't start asking those questions to yourself, you will never figure it out. And the definition of somebody crazy is someone that thinks that something's gonna change with repeating always the same thing every day. You know, if you don't change something, you will not change. The end result will not change. If if the story is, let's say you take the story of anyone, and you know, he's having, I don't know, bad day because he's always, you know, um he's always reading the news, or he's always, mad. But if he doesn't change something in his life, he will always be mad or unhappy. But you need to make change. If you're unhappy into something and you keep repeating the same thing over and over every day, guess what? You will not magically become happy. You need to make a change. So in trading, it's the same thing. So if you keep losing or getting those loss, you need to change something. Maybe your approach, maybe the strategy you're using, maybe the confirmation, maybe the tools, maybe there's something that you need to change. Maybe your mindset, which is probably one of the biggest one. But there's something out that you need to change. um, and again, I'm not saying that to be rude or to be a smartass. I'm just saying that to trying to help, compared to some other people on YouTube that just trying to prove they're smart and trying to make fun of people. That's not my goal here. My goal here is to help people. And yeah, that's why I keep doing those. You know, Even if there's one person here, or two, or 10, or hundreds, my goal is always the same. If I can help one person every time, it makes me happy. Oh, NZD USD. Let's go. Little push to the downside. Come on, baby. Can we break that low? Break that 30-minute low, baby. Break that 30-minute low. Can we break it? Oh, yeah. Let's go. All right. Finally. Finally. 12 pips profit. Let's go. Calm down, baby. We broke that 1 hour low. Sweet. We almost broke that 2 hour low. Can we break it? Come on, come on. NZD, USD, NZD, USD. Break that low, baby. Break it. Little push. Come on. Oh, let's go. All right, cool. Now we're up to the race. Now we're good. Now we good. We good. We good. We good. We need to make sure this 4 hour candle close bearish in like 15 minutes. How that 15-minute close? Solid bearish. Awesome. Perfect. Oh, it's looking good now. Finally. Man, how tough it was for me to do those kind of trades. And if you've been following me for a while, for a couple of years, I mean, remember my kind of trade. Like, it was like a 10 pip trade, 11 pips trade, 15 pips trade. Seeing my trade go into drawdown like this, I was allergic to that. Took me a while, man. Took me, yeah, a couple months to be able to just relax, let it play out. Um, and yeah, so I don't even know if that's gonna hit. I have no clue. Like lately, my trade, like I had a nice winning streak on my swing, which was great. But even if I had some losses, the thing I was the more, I don't know if I can say proud, but proud slash happy. I don't know, whatever the word. I'm not. But I was really happy or proud that I was able to actually let play those trade. Because before, man, I was kind of not anxious, but really not patient with those things. I would see my trade going in like a couple bits of drawdown and just freaking out and just close it, right? Yeah, it takes some practice and times to be able to do that for some people. For some other people, they're gonna be able to do that, right at the beginning, and they're good with it. I'm not that kind of person. It took me a lot of practice to be able to do that. For me, it was like a big thing, big, big, big thing. Boom, 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 boom. I don't know why I had my zone still there. That was like for many weeks ago. I want to see if I would have been able to find a better trade. Because realistically, we got this zone. Actually, hold on, wait a second. Is that it? This is the weekly. Yeah, which is almost like in confluence with the daily. Okay. So let's see if we get the break of that zone, the retest. So on the 4 hour, boom, 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 flip bearish. We got the retest here. Amazing. Let's take a look. Can we find something here on the 2 hour? Oh wow, dude, that's perfect. Can we see it on the 1 hour? Yeah, same shit. Yeah, that would be great. Oh my gosh, that was perfect. Boom, can take it here. 25 pip stop loss, whatever, something like that. 25. Can we? Yeah, okay. 3, 2, 1. Where is it? 3, 2, 1. Oh, that would be hit. Yeah, that's beautiful. Yeah, I like to do that. Going back on time, see, all right, where can I take that trade? Was it possible to get a better entry? Yeah, I think my zone was off. All right, so this 1 hour broke the low, 2 hour broke the low, so technically it should be good. This candle's closing in 10 minutes, so we'll see. GJ, we might have this pullback now. So we got to pull back on the 15 minute, 30 minute is starting. Let's say, because right now we cannot use that fib because it's not confirmed yet, bearish. But let's say this closed bearish, that would be our fib. So I would be waiting for something to enter this golden zone to push back up. As for a scalp, man, how gold is doing now? Gold is still above that zone. Oh, interesting. 4 closing bullish in 10. Okay. Man, we're about to get some news. Did the news hit? No, was it at 8:30 or 9? Oh, 9:45. Well, we had the CAN news, okay. But USD news is in 45 minutes. Okay. All right, guys. Wait a second here. Let me see if we have questions. Liberty, hi. I want to know, how did you enter this position? Oh, you probably can rewind the stream because I explained it. Yeah. All right, guys. I think right now there's not much. Let's see, GJ. There's not much I can do now. USD CAD, man, it's so sad, man. This thing is playing out after taking me out. Whatever. EDCHF. What did we say about EDCHF? Oh yeah, waiting. This should be like lower here. Entity CAD, still waiting. Euro NZD. That's the one I want to give a second chance here. 4 hour, this, yeah, 4 hour needs to close bullish engulfing. All right, if the 4 hour close bullish engulfing and the 2 hour does, I'm gonna give that trade a second chance. All right, any other question, guys? Let's see. Any other questions? Boom, boom, boom. Okay. And guys, don't forget, I'm gonna start doing Forex Talk over beer on Thursday night. PMI news. Hold on, wait a second. PMI news. What do you think? I don't know. I don't watch news. The only thing I do is I just go here and I look, on Forex Factory just to see like what's happening, but I don't trade based on news. I haven't watched you in a while. I remember when you only traded GJ and GA and tested gold. Yeah, man, Cole, what's up? How you doing? Yeah, it's still the same. I only scalp GJ, GA, and gold. So that remained the same. The other pair are for swing, and the reason why it's because if you only focus on one pair or two pair for swing, I mean you can wait like weeks for setups. Like if you was there a couple minutes ago, I explained about I think was which hold on, wait a second, which pair was it? I think that was AUD CAD. Is that correct? No. Hold on, wait a second. Was it? No. 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 Yeah, that one. I'm waiting for the pullback here. But look, it took like 12 weeks to go up, create a high. Now I'm waiting for the move down. So can you imagine if I only trade this pair, I'd be waiting like almost like 24 weeks before taking a setup. So that's why you need to be trading more pair when you swing, because you don't want to force a trade on a pair for nothing, right? So that's the reason why I do look at more pairs. So what I do at the beginning of the week is, now I did all the pairs with you guys just to do something and break down charts and help you, and maybe you guys understand something or learn something.
Euro NZD.
Sorry,
Euro NZD.
NZD, Euro NZD.
Yes.
Euro NZD. All right, we're gonna take a look at it. So basically, the reason why I do it is just like for you guys to learn something. But usually what I do is at the beginning of the week, I go through all the pairs and I flag the one I'm going to be watching during the week. So that's what I do. And the rest of the week, I don't watch all the pairs. It's just like I just watch the one I established that was the biggest chance to have a nice trade. But Euro NZD.
It's up. And the green ones.
Yeah, this one. Yeah, we talked about that one, no?
Yeah, but if you go to the 15 minutes and the lower time frame, just double click on the numbers. It will. Yeah. Okay, if you can see on the 15 minutes, I will use annotation 1 second. Sorry. Here.
Yep.
I'm just looking for an entry point on the lower time frame, but following your study on the higher time frame. Okay, as you see here, we had a break. Now we are having a retest.
Yep.
On the 15 minutes. So if the next 15 minutes break this high, do you think it's time to enter, or we wait till it goes down and then enter?
Let me check the other time frame. So let's see. 4 hour, we got that pullback. 4 hour right now is we are bullish. 2 hour is bearish. Yeah, based on the 15, yeah, you can do that. It's gonna come up pretty much to the same thing as taking it, on that 2 hours. You might have a better entry because now this 2 hours pushing up. Or if you wait on the 30 or the 15 minute to retest this little area also right here. Yeah, that makes sense. The only thing that I don't like is just this create a new low on the 2 hour. That's the thing I just don't like. Man, this thing is pushing up. Yo, NZD USD, let's go, baby. Taking forever.
After how many pips would you put your break even?
Now these days, well, sometimes I do it at 1-to-1 when I see it's a more risky trade. Um, or like I'm not comfortable because I'm not gonna be able to watch what's happening. But most of the time now these days, I don't even move my stuff to break even. All right, so this 4 hour candle just closed. Nice engulfing. 2 hour engulfing. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna wait for the wick on the 4 hour to form. And once we're gonna be flipping, I'm gonna get that entry. So let me get ready here on Euro NZD. Euro NZD, giving that trade a second chance. Based on H4. There we go. Open calc, and we're gonna play stop. I'm gonna play stop. What did I say? That's a pretty big stop, though. Hold on. I might take the trade on the way down so I can get a lower stop. Because if I place my stop under this, how many pips is that? As we speak, it's 35. Come on. Come on, baby, let my fire. Come on. NZD USD 4 did close bearish, nice solid bearish. Did it close under here? Oh yes, it did. All right, no wick though. 2 hour close bearish, engulfing. All right, great. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Let's go back to Euro USD. Are we flipping? Oh shit, we're flipping. Okay. I'm gonna use a fix 25 pip stop loss, and give that trade a second chance. So just grab this entry. Where is it? Its stop is at where is it? Stop 7849, 7849. Oops. Yeah, 49. And entry is at 71076. What did I say? 71076. Or kind of right here. And TP. I'm gonna do 4321. Here we go. So let's see. Let's see. Can we give that trade a second chance? Let's see how it plays out. All right, that's about it, guys. Any last questions? No, I'm just gonna set this and let it play out. That's it. Let's see. Let's see. Do we have any question here? No. All right, cool. All right, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on Thursday night for Forex Talk Over Beer. So yes, we're moving from Friday to Thursday. So Thursday night, 6 p.m. Eastern, we're gonna do Forex Talk Over Beer. So I'll see you there, guys. Take care. Have an amazing day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and follow. Activate notification. See ya, guys. Take care. Have a great day.